Hey, welcome back to another video. We're trying out another set of DIY cluster lashes. When I saw these, I love that they said fluffy, so I knew what I was going to get. You can see they're very soft, very fluffy, and they have pretty long length. This one in particular goes up to an 18, which is really nice. This kit is going to come with the typical bond, seal, and the remover. This is the tool that it comes with. It's not super sharp. And this is the little instruction manual, and it has some lash maps as well, which I really like that it includes, because if you are a beginner, this is going to be a nice, tangible, like in your hand guide on how to do your lashes. It has a black bond or black glue and the regular applicator, and the seal is one of my favorites, which is the little sponge at the tip, which you can really do it lightly so your lashes don't get too crunchy. The remover is just a regular like oil-based remover. So let's go ahead and get started with the application. I will show you my little eye, my little lashes. Now I'm going to apply the bond. So last time I tried just doing this bond on the base of my lashes, but they did not last even the week. So I'm going to go back to doing all of my lashes, coating all of my lashes. If you find that just doing the base works for you, that's great. But for me, I really need this adhesion so it can last the entire week like usual. So I'm going to coat all of my lashes, and I don't know if I see a difference in the glue. We'll see. I'm going to compare it to this last one that I got that I really like. So I'm going to just coat them, and I'm going to start to apply them. This is kind of like a baby doll kind of lash set. I'm going to start with the size 12, and then I'm going to do a 14, and then I'm going to do a 16. So these first three is just going to give it a little bit of texture at the edge, but not anything too crazy. And these are the smallest ones, the smallest size that I'm using for my tray. Next, I'm going to go down. I'm going to do a 14 and then do 12 and 2/10. So next I want to try doing it with a little bit of a longer length, seeing how it looks, but I think it's going to be super cute. I love this baby doll lash map. So I'm going to stick them on, and I try to do it as best as I can on camera. When I do my other eye off camera, I think it comes out a little better, but I'm just trying to show you how I apply it. And I just kind of put them on and stick them. I just stick them. And I like how this applicator, it's not super sharp, but it is important to have some sharp ones too, and I'll tell you why in a moment. So I'm going to smush them together. I let them dry just a little bit, and I'm going to smush them together with my tool, trying not to pull too hard, and I'm just going to squish them to my natural lashes, go up a little bit as well. And then I'm going to apply the seal. I'm using the little sponge, and there is a little hair there that I did take off. But I'm just going to apply the seal on top as well, and really just smush my lashes on with these products. And this is what it's gonna look like with this little lash map, the baby doll lash map. So I'm going to now use my little, I have another tool from another kit. Now this one is a little pointy, so that's why I said maybe it's good to have different sets or different little lash trays, because you can really see what you're gonna like. So I like that these little pointy tweezers. I use it to help separate the lashes, and it's done. Alright, so hopefully this was helpful. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.